Is it too late to buy Bitcoin in 2021? Or is this maybe the biggest society revolution of our lifetime? So, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? A lot of people I've talked to seem to think so, but instead of telling you what to do with your money, I'll bring up a few points and let you decide. I believe by now you know what my answer is, or else why would I be going through all this trouble creating crypto-related videos? I'll try to keep this video short, so I'll mention a few of my favorite key points. A lot of people have trouble getting involved with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general, because I think it's already inflated, it's a bubble about to burst, or they just simply don't get it, and that's fair enough. But calling it a scam? I'm sorry, you're wrong. Every new technology has been called a scam, but Bitcoin introduced a modern solution to a modern problem: double spending. Double spending is a very old problem in computer science that only exists in digital transactions. In simpler words, it's the probability of someone maliciously repeating a transaction more than once in order to take more money. The only solution we had so far was having someone in the middle of keeping track who has the money: banks. Satoshi Nakamoto, the father of Bitcoin, solved that in 2009 by inventing blockchain technology. So now the intermediary, or the banks, are no longer required. Blockchain technology won't go away anytime soon, unless a better technology is found. Can't you just create more? Bitcoin is limited in circulation. Its popularity is tied to the fact that there can only be 21 million Bitcoins. This is set by design, and there is no possibility to increase the number in the future. As of today, there is about 18.5 million mined Bitcoin, but approximately 20% is considered permanently lost and out of circulation. Stories of lost wallets, broken old laptops, and forgotten private keys are real. My heart goes out to these people. But that's also great news for the rest of us. Less Bitcoin to go around drives the value higher. Bitcoin is also a solution towards inflation. Oki Matsumoto, CEO of Monex Group, told CoinDesk there's a crazy amount of money being printed right now, so the value of money is going down. Assets with limited supply like Bitcoin, real estate, or shares and stocks, those price tags are going up. The government cannot take it away. In March of 2013, Cyprus government tried to take away all uninsured deposits upper than 100,000 euros. This cannot happen to Bitcoin. A decentralized asset like that belongs to whoever has the private keys. No bank or government can take it away. Yeah, that's all good, but am I too late? So I'll leave that to CTO Anders Larsson to share a chart comparing Bitcoin adoption in comparison to the 8 billion users of mobile phones as of today.
Now, this is mobile subscriptions. That's 8 billion subs on one compatible system for the whole world. How many use Bitcoin? Is it half or a third or 10%? There, you see the tiny yellow dot. Can you see it?
It's difficult to say the exact number of active Bitcoin users. A user can control multiple addresses, and an address can hold funds for multiple people. A study by CH & Co. revealed that there is an estimated number of 100 million Bitcoin users around the world, which is a 1.25 of the world's population. Now, this number is a combination of retail investors, people like you and me, and institutional investors, which are big companies and corporations. In fact, according to research from Glassnode, out of the entire supply of Bitcoin, around 2% of network entities own 71.5% of all Bitcoin. But that of course includes the crypto exchanges too. While the number and profile of institutional investors has grown rapidly in the past year or two, the numbers still remain low. In January of 2021, a study by London-based asset manager Nickel Digital surveyed European institutional investors and wealth managers who oversee $110 billion in funds. It found that 81% expected to see more companies invest in Bitcoin and 29% expect to see dramatic growth. 19 companies with a combined market cap of more than $1 trillion had amassed $6.5 billion in Bitcoin, and another 17 have invested treasury funds in Bitcoin. Worth noting that Tesla alone accounted for nearly 3/4 of that market cap. So the answer? It's not too late. In fact, you're still early. And what better time to get on board than before the big companies, also known as the whales? But since this is not something that depends on me, don't take this as financial advice. It's just my opinion. Just don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is still a volatile asset, so don't invest more than you can afford to lose. I want to thank Nas Academy and metapurse for making this video possible. If this sort of content interests you, please consider subscribing or following me for more. Join me on this incredible journey in the world of crypto and NFTs for the next few months. I won't be able to do this without your help. Please make sure to use the hashtags below and check out my fellow classmates. They are also creating crypto-related content, and I bet you're gonna love their work. Thank you for watching.